Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Zoom Stefan Janoski Slip RM skateboarding shoe. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Zoom Stefan Janoski Slip RM skateboarding shoes. This pair is in the black white colorway and in the UK size 8.5 or US size 9.5. And now let's go ahead and open up the box. But of course, flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Zoom Stefan Janoski Slip RM skateboarding shoe. So you can see the black white colorway. Let's take out the left foot side first. So as you can see, that high contrast black white colorway of the Nike SB Zoom Stefan Janoski Slip RM. And you can see there are no laces on this pair because they are a pair of slip-on shoes. And they feature the Nike SB Zoom insert for the sockliner insole. Okay, so let's remove that card insert, and you can see that Zoom Air insole right there in this left foot side of the Nike SB Zoom Stefan Janoski Slip RM skateboarding shoe. Okay, so just taking a look here, and now let's set the box to one side and just focus on the left foot side for now. So giving you a nice detailed look at this Nike SB Zoom Stefan Janoski Slip RM skateboarding shoe in the black white colorway and in the UK size 8.5 or US size 9.5. So giving you various looks and angles to the various aspects of the skateboarding shoe. So now let's take a close-up look. So you can see on the vulcanized outsole in white, you can see that there is a very grainy, gritty texture to it. So it is pretty rugged in design, as you can see, with that very rough, grippy texture, and vulcanized all the way to the upper cover, which is made out of suede. So you can see that black suede right there in this black white colorway Nike SB Zoom Stefan Janoski Slip RM skateboarding shoe. And moving right along to the mid area of the shoe, you can see that it does have a stitched Nike swoosh pattern right there, and there is a gusset on this side which appears to be elastic, so right there giving you an idea of that stretch of that gusset between the tongue and the outer side of the upper cover. And on the tongue you can see there is some branding for daily use, Stefan Janoski skateboarding. And taking a look once again on the inside is the Zoom Air insole. So it is a pretty firm but cushy insole. So very solid feeling. However, I can feel that bounciness to it as well. Applying plenty of pressure using my thumb, pressing down. Pretty solid yet bouncy in feel. And just taking a look at the various aspects. And you can see that it does have quite a minimal basic design for the shoe. As you can see itself on the tongue, it does have just a very, very thin suede construction with no padding whatsoever, or at least it doesn't appear to have any padding. But however, the inside of it is lined with some fabric or velvet-like material. It's right there giving you a look on the inside of this left foot side of the Nike SB Zoom Stefan Janoski Slip RM skateboarding shoe, and giving you some idea of this low cut and lightly padded ankle collar. So right there giving you some idea. It does taper away towards the ankle area, so it does thin out around the ankle. However, and the heel portion is where it's thickest, so giving you an idea of the padding right there. So quite firm. And moving right along towards the heel area, just giving you a look at the chunky height of that white outsole vulcanized towards the upper cover of the shoe, and just giving you a look on the inside as well of the left foot side. It's right there giving you various looks. And of course, quite importantly, the outsole or sole of the shoe right there. You can see that it does have a light gum color and with the herringbone design as well from tip to heel. And in terms of the texture and grip and firmness or flexibility right there, it is pretty stiff. Just running my index finger along the grooves of that herringbone pattern. And now let's do a twist test. So giving you some idea of the flexibility and stiffness of this Slip RM skateboarding shoe. So right there, so giving you a good idea. So pretty flexible and minimal in design. That goes along with most of the Stefan Janoski series of Nike SB skateboarding shoes. It's right there giving you a thorough look all round. And of course there is a small swoosh on the outsole right there. And now giving you a nice detailed close-up look to the stitching detail and overall texture and construction of this left foot side of the Nike SB Zoom Stefan Janoski Slip RM in black white colorway. So once again, just doing a quick flex test and stiffness test as well. So right there, plenty of movement and that low profile minimal design for plenty of board feel and control. Okay, now let's take a look at the right foot side. So I'm just going to set the left foot side of the shoe right there, so it's still somewhere in the frame without interfering with the foreground. Okay, so moving right along, let's pop the right foot side out from the box. and setting that purple box on the left hand side of the frame. So now taking a look on the right foot, or at the right foot of this Nike SB Zoom Stefan Janoski slip RM skateboarding shoe in the black, white colorway. So giving you a close-up detail and look. And that suede cover right there in black, with that equally matching black stitching. You can see that it is triple stitched right there, and of course double stitching, consistent with most Nike SB skateboarding shoes. And once again we see the Nike Zoom Air insole inside. And just giving you a look at that stretch again with that elastic gusset on both sides of the tongue. Okay, now let's take a look at the pair together. And up close as well. So right there, hopefully a nice detailed look at this pair of Nike SB Zoom Stefan Janoski slip RM skateboarding shoe. And let me just make some quick arrangements of that box there. And giving you a look right here. So that's the Nike SB Zoom Stefan Janoski Slip RM skateboarding shoe. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!